approve this message.
I got the magic in me. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold.